Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make sweet pork in a pressure cooker. The following ingredients is what you would need. You'll need some minced garlic, some ginger, lemongrass, cinnamon sticks, and star anise. Also, you'll also need Chinese spice powder, soy sauce, seasoning soy sauce, oyster sauce, sweet soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and fish sauce and brown sugar. In this bowl, I have already mixed the 5 spice and brown sugar in here. I use 2 tablespoons of the 5 spice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of the seasoning soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Today I will be using pork feet and also the knuckles. You can use pork butt, anything that is fatty to make sweet pork, because usually sweet pork are made out of the fatty part of pork. I will also be boiling some hard-boiled eggs, and then once I peel them, I will add that into it. Okay, I will be using my 6-quart pressure cooker. So I'm gonna load these in here. Okay. Now place some star anise. Mix everything up so that we get some spice on the bottom too. I had also tossed in a couple of the Mexican chili pepper in here, the dry ones, just to add color. Okay, I will pour in my seasoning here. We're gonna rinse this out and put that in there, because with pressure cooker you need some liquid or water in there to help cook the meat. Okay, and then after this I'm gonna marinate or mix this before I put this in the pressure cooker to cook. Now I have marinated and mixed the pork, and now I'm gonna put it into my pressure cooker. Okay, I'm gonna close it. So I'm gonna put cook time. Actually, I'm gonna select chicken, and then the cook time. Oops, let's cancel that. Chicken cook time. I'm gonna do this for 45 minutes. And then press cook, and then we just need to wait until it cooks. Now I'm gonna boil some eggs to put in my sweet pork. Once it's boiled and cooked, I'm gonna peel it and add that into my pressure cooker once the sweet pork is cooked. Okay, now that you have your eggs peeled and ready, you're gonna pour about a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce onto the eggs, and what you're gonna do is basically coat the egg so that the egg turn like a brown color, and then after that we will put this into the cooked sweet pork. This is the result of making sweet pork in the pressure cooker. Hope you enjoy learning how to make this and enjoy eating it.
Really good. Just perfect. Not too sweet, not too salty.